Today we are touring this 1962 square foot single story home built by Highland, 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, half bath, and it even has a media room or an office like a flex space. And this thing is priced at $468,990. Wow. Well, let's check it out here. I like the hallway.
High
Long
ceilings.
and high ceilings. And then which way are we going?
We're gonna go left first, and I'm gonna show this first secondary bedroom.
I mean, it's like your normal 10 by 10 kind of room. You've got nice closet. I like the hardwood, you know, kind of wide plank, lighter colors. And then you've got this bathroom that is what these 2 bedrooms are sharing.
With a bathtub.
With the bathtub, only 1 sink. So something to keep in mind there, but look at
Linen.
plenty of storage.
Coat closet. Okay.
And then another of those rooms right here. This is, you know, this is perfect for like a young family. This thing is priced at $468. It's a Highland home. You're about 20 minutes, 25 minutes into that Frisco Plano headquarters. If you're looking at that PGA, you're about 10 minutes from, in 10 minutes you're in Frisco or Prosper, however you want to go.
They have a brand new Costco not too far from here.
Yeah.
You have all
You're-
kinds of things.
Here's your half bath. You're within really close proximity to all major shopping and all that stuff.
Half bath is really nice to have when you have guests over, and then especially if you're sitting here and you use this as a media room or anything.
Yeah, if you don't have to work from home and you don't need an office, this would be a great media room. Or if you needed a work from home type situation, you needed that home office, this could be that as well. So flex space, however you want to utilize it, but it's a nice big room.
Yeah, it would be a huge office.
Yeah. Maybe even perfect for 2 people. You
Yeah,
know, maybe, you know, you
absolutely.
kind of split it. So let's go down here and let's get into some more stuff. You've got a utility room right here.
Very good.
And then here is the heart of the home. So this would be kind of your dining area. And then you've got your family room with your TV wall would be right here.
This is a big space.
It is a good sized space for sure. And again, I like the flooring.
I like a little bench over here behind me, and I love this kitchen.
Yeah, the kitchen is really nice. You know, you've got everything that you want. You know, you've got your trash can, then you've got your drawers underneath. You got
It's
your
Highland. Highland quality is just
Highland quality, their
amazing.
customer service is top notch. This is a great investment for those that are looking to get into, like I said, you're looking to get as close as possible to Frisco and Plano and Prosper, but you don't have that budget. You don't want to pay the name tax for those cities, if
Yeah.
that makes sense, you know?
That's a big.
I mean, this house is going to be probably a good $150,000 more in Frisco. So for an extra 10, 15 minutes, I think it's probably worth it. So
Yeah.
as far as a community, you're not losing out on that as well. If you love Highland homes, but are afraid, like I said, of those price tags, this is a perfect opportunity. Sandbrook Ranch is where we're at, and this used to be the owner's ranch. You're getting better deals here than you would ever get in any other, because you're not paying for those premium lot prices because it was their own land already. So from a value standpoint, this is really nice. You've got dual sinks, makeup section, bathtub, nice big soaking bathtub, decent sized shower. And I'll have you go check out that closet and then we'll go outside.
Let's see. Oh, we got some folding space, and we have hanging. They have to add a rod, but decent closet. Did I lose you already?
You lost me, I'm going out in the backyard. I'm not too interested in closets, if I'm
Closets,
being
no?
perfectly honest with you.
Oh, good sized patio.
So here we go with the patio. You know, perfect for those outdoor kitchens, whatever you want to do. You can even put it out there or swing sets or, you know, trampolines. You know, it's a good size yard that gives you a lot of flexibility. These are 45-foot lots.
Yeah, you do get a lot of space with these.
You know why it's different is because we're used to with these smaller, anything less than 50 is generally you've got that rear entry, so the garage takes up half your space, and so they're almost like patio homes. Where this is a good lot.
It's perfect. Yeah, I mean,
So
you could put a pool in here if you wanted to.
yeah, I mean, this is perfect for, like I said, young families that are looking to become homeowners. They want that close proximity to all the jobs and all the growth, and they want to feel secure in their investment. This is a great opportunity, and that's kind of what we specialize in. And if that is what is interest to you, and you found this video helpful in this channel, please hit that subscribe button. That always helps us out. If you're ready for that conversation in 2026, hit that Dream Home Forum, and we'd love the opportunity to help you out. And until next time, I'm Andy.
And I'm Patrice.
Take care.